Welcome back, old book Acad.
Hello friends, today we will discuss about homophone. That is very confusing word. By Old Book Acad. What is the homophone? What is this? Homophone. That is same pronunciation and different spelling and different meaning also. Homophones, that mean same pronunciation, different spelling, different meaning is called homophone. Definition. What is the definition of homophone? Words that are pronounced the same but different spelling and meaning also. Here, pronouns are same but different spelling and meaning. Understand that. Here we talking about with the example. First is here 8. Oh, that is why he ate a pizza. Next is 8. 8. I worked 8 hours today. 8, that means he ate a pizza. 8, that means number. Here we talking about number. Next is here sun. Sun is sun in the sky. The sun is shining. Next, sun. I love my son. Sun, that means talking about in the sky, shining. And sun is I love my son. Next is sale. The house is for sale. Next is here sale. The sale has to catch the wind. Here sale is talking about sale a house and sale catch the wind here. Next is stair. There are a lot of stairs at my house. Stair. He stared at me. Stare, talking about climbing stairs, and stare, constantly staring you somebody. Next is here. Here. Hello. 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 Understand that? And next is here. The coffee cafe is here? Of course. Hello, that means here's something. And coffee cafe is here. Exactly mean that. Next is here. Mail. Of course. The mail is the mailbox. Mail. That mail model is you. Mail is sending another person mail, and mail is a gender masculine. That mean is waste. Anything that you don't use and throw in the garbage is waste. Waste. Simran has a very thin waist. So waste is not usable product. Waste is a waste thin. Next is here talking about write. I like to write letter to mom. Right. Turn right on the way. Somebody write any letter. Right. Right turn right. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, press the bell icon also. Thank you.
Thank you for watching my channel and please like, subscribe and share.